In this video, I will show you how to buy BRET on Coinbase Wallet. So let's jump straight into it. To do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up a mobile browser or an internet browser if you're on a PC. What you want to do is go to the following website, coinmarketcap.com, SLBR with 2 T's. Now once you get here, it will take you to an information page for the BRET token. If you scroll down, you'll see the contract section. What you're going to want to do is copy this address. Press the copy button, just like so. As you can see, it's copied to the clipboard. Once you've done that, open up Coinbase on your device. Once you've opened up your Coinbase app and logged in, go to the top left-hand corner and press on these dots. This will open up a window. From here, scroll down until you see the icon for Coinbase Wallet, which is in the Web3 and App section. Go ahead and press on your Coinbase Wallet. This will open up a screen. Now, come down to the bottom and press on the browser icon in the middle. Next, select Uniswap. Scroll through the top dApps, search for Uniswap, and press on it. This will take you to the swap screen. Select your token from the top. I'll leave it set to Ethereum. In the buy section, press the pink select token button and select the token, the network this is part of. If we go back to the contract page for BRET, you can see it's part of Arbitrum. Go back to your Coinbase wallet and look for Arbitrum. Press on it. Paste the address into the box and search for it. Make sure it's set to Arbitrum. It's now located to the BRET token. Press on it and a screen will come up. Press the pink I understand button. Next, put the amount you want to sell and buy. For example, 20 Ethereum. Minimize this and it will tell you how much you want to buy. Enter that amount here, wait for it to fetch the best price, and continue to purchase BRET on Coinbase. That is how to buy BRET on the Coinbase wallet. I hope this tutorial helped you out today. If it did, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.